Alright, all you nerds out there, Infinite Space Nudes, we got some good videos today, so let's hop right into it. I am excited. So, the picture you see on your screen is what is known as the Great Daylight Fireball. This was a picture from 1972, and this is a comet, I believe, or a meteor, one of those two, that went through the atmosphere during 1972 on this day. So today is the 48th anniversary. So yeah, nice to know that. This was a comet of about 10 to 45 feet in diameter, so it's fairly big. And yeah, we're just celebrating the anniversary today, so congrats to the asteroid, or meteor, or comet, whichever one. Hopefully it has not burned up, though it probably has, in some other atmosphere far, far away. So, yes. Very interesting facts. Alright, next up in the news, we have an interesting discovery by scientists on the ice planets Neptune and Uranus, along with other ice planets out there possibly, is that they have found out what the interior is made of, possibly. So, using computers to simulate the water on these planets, they've had a hypothesis of what is actually inside. And this is a system made by CISA and UCLA. And with this system, they might be able to trace back billions of years of history. So I'm interested to see what's going on with that. Maybe, at one point, Uranus and Neptune could have possibly had life on them. And not only this, but they've also discovered a new form of water that is on Uranus and Neptune, called superionic water. And so this is sort of confusing, but basically what it appears to be is a cross between liquid and solid water. So, not sure how that works yet, it's still being looked into, but perhaps they will recreate that on Earth soon, and we will see it in the near future. They've also been looking at electrical and thermal properties of these two planets, and been looking into that ever since. So, good luck with that, and hopefully we will learn some very interesting things about Neptune and Uranus in the near future. So comment below if you think there could have been life on Neptune or Uranus. Alright, next up in the news is this man, Dmitry, I might say this wrong, Dmitry Rogozin, one of those. He's the chief of, I might say this wrong too, Roscosmos. Yeah, it's sort of like how SpaceX is in the United States. That's the company for Russia. So he's been making some bold claims recently in a recent interview. Actually, this news just came out today, where he claims that they, at Roscosmos, will be having people on Mars in 8 to 10 years. So think about that. We're sort of aiming for a similar goal, but they're claiming that they can do the same. They also claim that their reusable rockets are better than SpaceX's. And now we know SpaceX has been using reusable rockets for quite a few months now, successfully. So that means that they are probably getting better at it, which they are getting better at it, actually. And they've also had their launch to the International Space Station, I believe in May, late May, and it did successfully get there. So this means that SpaceX is certainly ahead, and there is no evidence as of yet to prove that Dmitry's claims are true. And also, what might make these claims even less believable is that the Roscosmos budget might be getting cut very soon by the Russian government, so they will probably not have any more innovations in the near future. Therefore, his claims don't seem very believable. But if you guys think that he's not actually lying, please tell me your reasons in the comments below. I'd like to hear them, and I'd like to hear what you think about this. Do you think this is going to be another do you think this is going to be another Cold War situation, or what? What do you think is going to happen? I'm not sure. I don't know. In my opinion, I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think this is just a mere disagreement between SpaceX and Roscosmos. Particularly Roscosmos seems to be making bold claims, but we'll see. But if you guys have any questions or anything you want to report on, leave it in the comments below, and I'll be checking in. But bye for now.